The VELO 3-in-1 carry-on luggage. Sold by Amazon. Introducing the VELO 3-in-1 Hardside Expandable carry-on luggage, the ultimate solution for all your travel needs. Switch seamlessly between 16, 22, and 26-inch sizes with a simple press of the handle button. Say goodbye to extra bags. VELO adapts to your journey, growing with your adventures. Crafted with a 100% polycarbonate waterproof hard shell and aerospace-grade aluminum frame for unmatched durability. Robust joints ensure your belongings stay protected from bumps, shocks, and external elements. Experience effortless mobility with 360-degree silent wheels, offering smooth maneuverability in tight spaces. A wide pop-up handle and invisible bottom handle make lifting and carrying a breeze. Stay organized with an adjustable divider, keeping clothing and accessories neatly separated. Expandable space caters to evolving storage needs during travel and shopping. Equipped with the latest TSA 008 lock for streamlined security checks. Smooth double YKK zippers provide easy access to your belongings. Invest in lifelong luggage durability with VELO's high-strength design. Perfect for any trip, whether it's a quick getaway or a long vacation. Choose VELO for a travel experience that's convenient, secure, and stylish. Rated 3.7 stars. Order today for £410.38.